Hey friends, how's it going? It's Rosie, and today I have a fun little extra upload for you. This is going to be a quick collective fall haul. I love to shop, as I'm sure you are well aware. This is just sort of a collection of things I've picked up over the past month or two since, you know, coming home, and they're just stuff that I think is going to be like staples in my wardrobe going forward. So I figured I'd show you, I figured I'd share, because they're fun and everybody, well, I don't know if everybody likes a haul. I like a haul, I love a haul. So figured it might be just fun to share, you know, something quick to break up the moving content, because Lord knows that's all you're getting for a while. It's some fashion stuff, and it's a couple things that I got on like the Amazon Prime Deals Day or whatever, because we're moving and I needed to order stuff anyway for that. There's some stuff from that like, number one got stolen, number two just hasn't come, so that's great. Love living in my apartment complex. I cannot wait to leave, but that is just some other home goods stuff. So once that's finally replaced and when it, you know, shows up, I will probably be doing more of like a home decor based haul when we finally move in, when we start accumulating things for the new place. But this is purely for funsies, just a fun little extra video I thought I'd throw it because I wanted to share, and I'm excited to show you. If you're new here, hey, what's up? I am a 25-year-old girl, work from home, doing grad school, living in Colorado, moving to a different apartment in 2 weeks. Did just book the movers today, so that's pretty slay. If you like plus size fashion, life in your 20s and try to figure that shit out, and you know, working from home, grad school, lots of vlogs, just vibes. If you're here for some vibes, let's please hang out more. Let's just get started on this. This isn't meant to be like a crazy long video. This is just a fun little extra guy I wanted to toss in there. So let's begin. Firstly, from the Amazon deal days, I will say the things that I purchased but did not receive were just like frames, as I mentioned, like home decor stuff, and then a new SD card, which, you know, we're investing in the channel. And going along with that, I got a new external hard drive. My first external hard drive. I did buy one a long time ago, like I'd say 2018, 2019, because my computer was filling up and I was like, oh, I gotta offload all of it. And then I put it all on the hard drive and I couldn't get it off again. So I'm really hoping this goes better. But I figured it'd be good because at this point, my computer is like 4 or 5 years old. She's slow as hell. She's not letting me keep anything on the actual hard drive itself. So we need an external just to make sure I don't lose shit when I still need it. This is just a data pocket, union sign. I don't know, but it's pink. I mainly picked it because it was pink and it was like $30, which was on the cheaper end. So some good techie stuff. Next, this one's just fun. This one was one of the Prime Day deals, and I was like, I'm a sucker. So it was a mystery surprise box, and I have clearly opened it, but it was an Easter themed one. I didn't get to choose, it just sort of showed up and I looked inside, but I just figured I'd show you because I love them. They're just really cute. This one is named Bop. Adorable. These will be like Easter decor, spring decor, because I don't have any of that. Amy, little chickadee. Sophie, I love Sophie. She's so cute. Danya is my favorite just because she's like a cute little rainbow bunny. And then this one's a gnome. I didn't know Squishmallows did gnomes. This one's named Maddox. Don't love him, might give him to Iggy. But otherwise, had a very fun, you know, just little Squishmallow surprise. I freaking love stuffed animals in general, but especially the Squishmallows. I'm 25 and they bring me great joy. So up next, we've got Nike. When I was in Austin, I was walking around the Domain and I went into their Nike store and I was like, damn, this shit's kind of cute. And they had like plus sizes in stores. So I was like, I respect that, I dig that. They did not have the sizes in the items that I wanted, so I was like, okay, we're gonna hold off. I only have a carry-on, we can't even be shopping anyway. So when I got home, I looked online and this is what I picked up. This is straight out of the washer because I wore it already, but it is just this very cute It's technically meant to be like a cropped style, just like the way it cinches, but it's a pullover, Nike in brown. I don't have any brown sweatshirts, surprisingly, and I feel like I've been gravitating a lot towards brown in my wardrobe recently, so I was like, this is perfect, and it was on sale, so snatched. Next, haven't worn these yet, but these were in the store and I did want them, and so I found them online and I got them, and they're just a pair of sweat shorts that say Nike. I got everything in an XXL, I believe. So the sweatshirt was an XXL. These are a 1X. They're pretty similar sizing, at least on me, and I got this because the plus sizes were on sale, but the regular sizes weren't, so I was like, all right, thanks, I'll take it. But these are just cream, kind of like heathered, standard fit mid-rise shorts, and they're just very soft. And I have sweatpants that are the same like material and the same color that I love, and I was like, you know what, some shorts, they're on sale for like I think 20 bucks, why not? And then finally I got a pair of shoes. So as I've said before, pretty much exclusively wear Nike Air Force Ones just because they're the most comfortable. They have so many fun little different versions, and I like that they match just about everything in my head style wise that I have, but I can also mix them up. But when I was on my Austin trip, my new friend Julia, who's one of my coworkers that I met there, she had this pair of, I think it's Maxes, Air Maxes. What are these? Yeah, they're the Air Max 90 Futuras that she was wearing, and I was like, those are really cute too, and I dig them. And I need a running shoe or like a gym shoe in general, because the ones I have right now, they are Nike as well, but I got them from Nordstrom Rack, so they're not like the real on-brand Nike. They're made for Nordstrom Rack. They're made for Nordstrom Rack Nike. So there's cardboard that holds the shoe base together, like shapes the shoe, and it's bent in such a way that every single time I wear them, they give me blisters. I have tried everything I can to like push them out, make them not bend in that way. No matter what, they just don't stay. So I have donated those. And I was like, for the longest time I was just wearing my Air Force Ones, but now I'm like, okay, you should probably get real normal sneakers that you can wear in the gym. And these are also so cute that I would wear them outside normally too. But I love the little clear part down there. I could wear them, you know, normally, but also they are a lot more, like, this is cushioned, whereas the Air Force Maxes, the Air Force Ones are like leathery, you know, you have to break them in. These, however, are just soft, so I think they will work both for fun and for gym. And I'm very excited. They're very cute. Next, you know, we got some Old Navy. Old Navy has been just absolutely slaying, as they always are as of late. So my thing came in 2 orders. This is literally a singular piece and the rest is in there, but let's open her up. So one of the videos I want to make going forward is I want to try Pinterest outfits, but on a plus size body, which is something that Carrie Dayton, at least for me, started. Like, I saw her video on it like a couple of years ago, and I love that concept. And I have so many outfits I have saved on Pinterest that are like, I love them, I think they're so cute, but they look really good on skinny people and I don't think they look good on me. So this is an effort to change that. One of those things are silk midi skirts. I love the way these are meant to look, and I tried wearing one, I don't know, 2019. I got one from like Abercrombie, and the way it hugged my stomach at the time, I just like couldn't handle it. Like, we were not there yet mentally. So Old Navy at the very least has, like, you know, proper plus sizes. I got this pretty champagne one. It has a little slit at the bottom, so that's cute and fun. And I love the idea of this with a sweater over it, so we're gonna try it. But this is an XXL, so I think this will fit me better than a regular straight size would. And I think it's cute. I think it'll be good for like the holiday season, so that'll be a fun way to get out of the fashion comfort zone. Now let's get into this. This smells so strongly of Lysol. It also, like, I picked it up from my Amazon locker and it was open. So I'm hoping everything's in it. Okay. they had another 50% off card holders thing that I ordered with. And a couple of these things are presents, so I'm not gonna show them to you. But what I did get for myself, this first like nice big comfy waffle knit cardigan, goes down past the butt. This is giving such 2014, 2015 Brandy Melville vibes. There was this one cardigan everybody had from there that I wanted so bad, but it was like $60 and also a one size, so it didn't fit me right. And I saw this and I was like, okay, slay. Probably an XXL as well. Oh no, this is a 2X. Fine. I like them bigger. I like them oversized. That's what we're here for. On the sweater train, I have a black turtleneck and a white turtleneck that I really love. I do not have any like cream or like other neutral turtlenecks, so I saw this. I'm gonna give it a try. I don't know how I feel about the cut, because the cut is kind of like a bat wing cropped moment, but it is also plus size, so I'm hoping it will fit in not an extremely unflattering way. So we're gonna see how she works. Otherwise I will just return. This is another version of that dress that I absolutely love, that I got in 2 colors, but one was way too big and one is like very summer floral, like Hawaiian print, but the right size. So this is, you can't even really tell, but it's a dark royal rich like green color, like very dark. So I figured this would be good for fall, and I'm excited about it, and it is the correct size, so I already know it fits. This is another thing that I want to use for like my recreating Pinterest outfit videos. Obviously the flared yoga, people call them flared leggings, they're freaking yoga pants. Like, I was in middle school in 2012 when Pink was selling these with bands. They were yoga pants, so they are yoga pants. And so I haven't done that yet, but these were on sale. These were on sale for like $10. So I was like, okay, I do have a lot of things saved on my Pinterest that include these flared, little flared guys. So might as well give them a try. As you can see, fun flared end. And they are ribbed. You probably can't tell. Oh, there you go. They are ribbed material. So I love a good rib. They are size XXL. As per usual, and these specifically are gonna go with the last thing I'm gonna show you in this haul. This was just a basic like cream long sleeve shirt, very soft, shockingly, but you know me, you know I love a fun pant. And like I said, I have white and black turtlenecks. Oh, I do have kind of a cream, but like a very thick sweatery turtleneck, not like a thin shirt that you can wear, you know, without like getting hot. So this serves that purpose, to wear with my fun funky pants. And then this, I saw a print so super similar to this on Abercrombie's website, and I was like, that's beautiful, I'm not gonna pay $90. And so this is just that, but the Old Navy version. And look at those pretty flowers. It is just a nice square neck, kind of 3/4 sleeve, cottagecore-esque dress. You know the vibe. Long, slit in the leg. You know what's up. But she is very beautiful, perfect for fall, perfect for Thanksgiving, perhaps. And I like her very much. Also felt very lightweight, which I appreciate, because the Colorado winter and fall have been just so freaking hot so far, it's ridiculous. And then this is the last thing that is not a present that I can show you. It's just this really cute, what is this? Like nature diagram drawing t-shirt, just a big old oversized comfy t-shirt. And I love a good nature diagram shirt. Big fan, big vibes. Cute and fun and fresh. And I like that it's not all flowers. I like that some of it is leaves and just like regular plants, because I feel like they're all always flowers. This just gives much more fall vibe than, you know, spring flowers do. So that's that. And the final piece of this haul is so incredibly exciting. I just need to get into it. I cannot wait. I'm so fucking pumped. Now obviously last year Uggs made a huge comeback, and I got a pair of the Tasman slippers for Christmas, but I got the men's pair and I literally wear them as just like house and walking around slippers. So they're not like fashion. They are simply comfort. But this year I was like, you know what? I really want to style Uggs. I don't know what's up with me, but I really do. And so I hopped on early enough and I was able to get a pair of the mini platforms. And these are just adorable. They're so cute. And I love the platform. I really wanted the platform slippers last year, but obviously they were sold out everywhere for like months. So I am so thrilled with these beauties. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I also got one of the things from Amazon that hasn't come yet is I got like boot socks because I need real boot socks to protect them. And I'm so pumped. I can't wait. These specifically I'm gonna style with those flared leggings that I showed you before, because I really love the way those look. I think those look cute together. So 'tis the season to try it out. And another stupid thing, I really thought these would look bad on me because I have not very long legs and they're chunkier, both the boots and the legs. So I was like, there's no way that's gonna like look good, you know? It's just gonna look like tree trunks all the way up. But looking at the flared leggings, I was like, no, like it creates enough shape that I think I will enjoy the way they look. And if not, I'll get over it because these are expensive shoes and I will be wearing them. So, and that is my haul. Thank you guys for watching my quick little fall collective haul. This is just what I've picked up over the past couple of months. I feel like my hauls are normally like very, very large. And that's because I do them when I go on vacation. And so I'm shopping a lot more. But this is still like a lot. But certainly a lot more normal than buying a shit ton of stuff on vacation and then coming back. But this, I'm holding myself to this now. This is the last clothing haul I will be showing you until Christmas because I'm not buying any more clothes. I'm not buying any more clothing goods. I am simply using my money towards, number one, paying off credit cards, and number two, household items, because as we move, obviously we're gonna have more space and there's stuff I want to do. There's already little projects that I want to work on, and so the money needs to go towards that, not a fun new outfit. So this will be hopefully the last clothing haul for quite a while, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see a fall styling video. I think I've done one for every season thus far, and I am going to continue it, but especially if you want to see these pieces, I would love to know. It will probably be filmed in the new place, so probably not for another couple weeks, but I am so pumped. I cannot wait for everything to be set up there and to start making things in the new spot. Okay. But yes, thank you again for watching. I love you so much. I hope you're having a fabulous whatever time of day you're in, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.